Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some ackee and saltfish. Simple, easy, quick cook ackee and saltfish. So here we have some veggie that we already prepped off camera to make the video a little bit shorter. So yes guys, let's get right into it. So this is the ackee I will be using. And here we have our pot. The stove is on high right now. I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil to it. You know, get our oil hot to saute our vegetables. And guys, as the day you're think about the ackee, what would you eat with your ackee? I'm going to be having this with some dumpling and Irish potato with some yellow yam. Yeah. So, and I remember this. Carry me ackee, go a Linstead market, not a quati would sell. Yes, I remember that because, you know, all days growing up with the old folks, yeah, my mom, my grandma, those ladies are the gem. They're a blessing to me and to everything that I'm doing right now, my cooking ability. God bless them. And so let's get back into the video. So here we're going to be adding our veggies. So I'm adding my onion and my hot pepper. So I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper, my tomato, my green onion, aka scallion, and I have some bell pepper here. So I have the red, orange, and I have a brown pepper. It's like, you know, a part, yeah, bell pepper. So, and I had my thyme right there. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna make sure I lock all these spices and everything in. Guys, if you could just smell the aroma up in this kitchen. Good. I wish I could share this meal with you guys, but guys, I am so sorry. Ackee and saltfish is one of my favorite. Back home, I used to have it with some roast breadfruit or fried breadfruit, or you can have ackee with rice, ackee with fried dumpling, cooked dumpling. Yes. So guys, here I'm going in, making sure I locked in, or making sure all these veggies are sauteed properly before. So I already have my saltfish cook and prep for this meal. And the ackee that I've been using for the can, so I use the water from the saltfish to wash the ackee, because you know it was in the can with preserved water. So I just washed that. So in another video I will show you guys how I prepare my ackee for when I get it out of the can. So I promise I will do that. So if you want to have this ackee with some fried dumpling, the link for the fried dumpling will be in my description box below. Yes guys, so here this is coming on quite well. Wow, look at that. Yummy, yummy to my tummy. So yes guys, leave this to saute a little bit and then add all the other ingredients. So yes guys, that's saute. So now we're going to be adding our saltfish. So I already prepped and removed the bones and everything. Wow. Guys, don't you wish you could eat it just like this? Just the saltfish cook up with some veggie. Yes, this is also nice too. That looks good. So now we're gonna go in. So I'm getting my ackee to add to my saltfish. So in the meanwhile, I'm getting the saltfish and the vegetables to simmer a little and all the flavors combined together. Yummy. Yeah, this is ready. So yes guys, here's my ackee. So this is the ackee I'm using out of the can. So now we're going to go in and we're going to gentle get everything together, blend everything in. You don't want to be doing it too rough because you don't want to mash up all the ackee, you know, and have the poto, as old time people used to say, poto ackee. Sorry. Yeah. So this is my ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish. So now that this is here simmering down a little, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some black pepper. Yes, guys, you know ackee and saltfish not complete without the black pepper. Even though you have the hot pepper inside, you need to garnish it with some hot black pepper. Some black pepper. Yes. So now that I'm adding my black pepper, I'm gonna go in now and make sure I blend everything in. So you coat everything with the black pepper. So you get this nice flavor. And this is Pal's Island Kitchen style of doing our ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God. We'll see you next time. And guys, please to check out my other YouTube channel. That's Pal's Smoothie World. Or whole heap of niceness in the glass. Yes, just go over there, like, comment, leave yourself a subscribe, and just enjoy life. Enjoy the greatness that God has put before us. And I love you guys and I appreciate you. Be blessed.